Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm good. What did you do today?
I went to school today and learned about math, Vietnamese, and art also.
Okay, are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Alright, so now you're going to pick one of this paper. Now, just pick one and give it to me. Okay. Alright, let's see what you've got right here. This is topic 2. Hobbies.
Yes.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite sport is playing video games.
Okay. What do you like? What do you like to do in your spare time?
Of course, I like to do my hobby in my spare time. It helps me relax and enjoy the most.
Okay. What do you usually do at the weekends?
At the weekend, I usually go out to play with my friends and visit my school.
You visit your school?
No, my primary school.
Okay. Are you a member of any club in the school?
Yeah, I am a member of the English club. It is teach about English and it is a high level for the student. And we need to do a test before joining it.
Oh, you do test? Do you have to do like competition? Like speaking competition?
We need to do a test.
Okay. Alright. Do you study at the weekend?
Yes, I do study at the weekend. I usually do my homework, some homework that my sister give me and Duolingo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Do you want to change school? Do you like your school?
Yes, I like the school and because I enjoy staying there. There's a lot of my friends there.
Okay. Are you keen on doing exercise?
Not really.
How often do you do exercise?
Probably three, five times a week.
5 times a week, okay. Alright, do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton and soccer.
Alright, and do you like playing it?
Yeah, I like playing pretty much.
Is it fun?
Yeah, I can play with my friend or play independently badminton, and I can compete with other teams or play them.
Oh, okay, good. Do you think playing sport is important? And why?
Playing sport is important for our health because it helps you stay healthier and stay in shape.
Alright, okay. Alright, now take the turn. So now we move to part 2. Okay, here we have a mode of transportation. So a group of friends want to spend a day traveling around the big city, but they don't have much money, okay? So they want to see as many things as possible. So now I want you to talk about the different ways they could travel around city
Okay.
and decide which way is the best, okay? So look at the picture and choose mode of transportation they could like to use.
If they go by tram, it will be not that expensive, but you cannot see much things.
Okay.
You will miss a lot of things. And if you go by taxi, it is kind of expensive, but you can see the view better than the tram. If we go on foot, we can see more things, but it will be tight for us. And if we go by bus, we can see the view better than going, not as good as go by foot, but it's kind of cheaper and you can relax while go along the big city. But if we use by bicycle, we can see more things and you can stop whenever we want. But it is a little tired, but it worth it. So we will go by bicycle.
Okay, so you prefer bicycle?
Yes.
And what other mode of transportation? Like the one that you like, but you
Oh,
maybe it's expensive.
some proposition is probably a bus.
Bus, okay. So
We can't take picture of it because it don't stop whenever
okay,
we
so
want.
what do you think? What do you think is the advantage and disadvantage of using a bike?
The advantage of using a bike is
Maybe bike and bus.
the advantage of using a bike is you can see the way you go, the whole world that you go through. But the disadvantage of this is it's kind of a little tired, and
Okay.
you can maybe your bike will be broken or something
Yeah.
when you go along and you cannot fix it.
Okay. All right. But you still prefer bike,
Yeah.
right? Okay. All right. Okay. Another question is, can you tell me some reasons of? Okay, so we have this situation here. You know that the pollution problem is more serious day by day. Okay, we get many kinds of pollution around, like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and also noise pollution. So can you tell me some reasons or maybe advantage or disadvantage of pollution and the solution to these problems? Like what should we do and what we shouldn't do
Okay.
to help the pollution situation?
As you know, water pollution is probably one of the most popular pollution of the planet. It is that when we pollute the water by throwing trash and some dirty things in it, and it will be polluted. All sea animals will be dead, like fish, octopus, and probably
Okay.
some of it will disappear.
Yeah, to your existence.
We should use
Plastic.
a plastic like a plastic bag, bottles, and a straw. We should use more paper bag and some paper cup and reusable bottle. And we should join some of the club that help don't
Okay, to clean
to clean the ocean, and some club and donate to help protect the ocean.
Okay. Alright, okay. So what about air pollution?
Oh, and evolution is also one of the popular pollution in the planet. It's the sweat where the air polluted by gas and some gas come from the bike
Motorbikes,
and
cars.
cars and some of the machine.
Okay, so what do you think we should do to
Um,
help the environment?
we should cycle more and use um more environmentally
Maybe we should
energy.
use more bicycle or bike.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we use more sun energy and water energy to help save the pollution instead of heat energy.
Okay, it's energy, yeah. And we should also recycle more things, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the third thing is you're going to talk about your wishes, okay?
Yeah.
What could you wish for?
One of my first wish I would wish for our planet to do not have war, because the children can live in a peaceful world and do not have any bomb or gun. If we live in a peaceful world, people will be more friendly and maybe do not attack each other.
Right?
Yeah.
So what other wish do you have?
And the second wish, I probably wish for maybe a lot of money,
You wish to have a lot of money.
because
So if you have a
because nowadays money is probably one of the important thing. If you don't have money, you almost do not have nothing.
So when you have money, what are you going to do with your money?
I'm going to buy something like a new house.
New house. Okay. That is good for you to think of that as a little boy, you know? Any other wish?
Let's find the wishes. Let's have more wishes so I can wish more.
Okay. Alright. Okay, that's good. Alright, goodbye.